Here's the homework for review day 6. Make sure you know these, okay? All I have to tell you. Important thing is to know that if you get the y-intercept, to put it in this form right here. See, on this question, you know it's 0 and whatever the y-intercept is. That's the y-intercept coordinate. You know that. On the multiple choice test, when they ask for the y-intercept, they're asking for this. Hint, hint. Test question that was on yesterday's homework, you got. This will be on the test too. Hint, hint. Okay. Times 8. Times 8. Actually, all these questions. Times 8. And make sure the multiple choice, you eliminate 2 and double check yourself. Alright, so that's 8y equals to 5x plus 6. There'll be 15 questions on multiple choice. This is standard form. Remember, it's ax plus by equals to c. Standard form things are always in order, or what you normally see. So that's how you remember it, in A, B, C. So I remember it. Standard form in scientific notation is regular numbers. So this is negative 5x because the x comes first, plus 8y equals to 6. Standard form is important to find the x and y intercept. Okay. Hint, hint. Least common denominator here is 15 times 15 times 15. Okay? 15y equals to 5. That's 10x. 3 plus 12. Minus 10x minus 10x. Eliminate that. Negative 10x plus 15y equals to 12. Trying to figure out how, okay, we start this in class. Make sure that's 0. You minus 0.52 and then finish that, okay? And you divide by 9.3 last. Your answer should be a negative decimal answer, and it should say this answer with y is 0 because we're making y 0, okay? Number 3, we discussed how to do that. We make this into a decimal, so 8 point whatever this is, because you make 11.25 an hour, so you multiply 11.25 times $8.75, okay? Suppose your class sells gift wrap for $4 per package. That package is the gift wrap package, so we give that X for the gift package, so put it on the side. X equals to gift wrapped, I mean. Okay, I'll try to do these when I can, but I've got children with sports and dinner and stuff. And greeting cards, we'll make greeting cards Y. For $10 per package, the per package right here is Y. Y representing greeting cards. Package, your class sells a total of this many package O. So X plus Y, these are gift wrap package plus greeting card package, has to equal to 205 packages altogether because they're talking about the packages. 205 altogether. Okay, so you make X plus Y equals to 205. Okay? In all, that's what. In all, and receive a total of this much money. Okay, so $4 plus $10, $4 per package of gift wrap plus $10 per package for the greeting cards, which is Y, each greeting card has to equal the total of 1,084. Okay, so notice all the dollars are together here, and here you get x plus y equals to 205. Elimination, I would eliminate the 4, so I minus 4 here to all of them. I mean, not minus 4, but multiply by negative 4. So we get, sorry there, I don't know what that is. Must be my son's stuff. 10y equals to 1,084. And then you distribute the negative 4 to here. You get negative 4x. Distribute here. You get negative 4y. Distribute the 4 to the last one. You get 20. Carry the 2. So that's 2, 8. Like that. I hope it's right. Check 20, carry 2, that's 2. Yep, that's correct. That's 4, 6, 2 equals 2. 6y divided by 6. Y equals 2. 6 into 26 is 4 times, or the me 42. So you got 42 greeting cards, 44 greeting cards. So basically, x plus y equals to that. So if you have 44 equals to 205. Plus x, you minus 44, right? And you get x equals to 161. So find the number of each type of package sold. So right here, find the number of each package sold. And we define the variable right there. That's defining the variable. So there were 44 greeting cards sold, and 161 gift wrap sold. Okay, so you need to write your answer in a complete sentence. Like that. Nolani and Vanessa are selling pies for a school fundraiser. Customers can buy apple pies and lemon meringue pies. Oh, I forgot to change their name to, sorry, Nolani and Vanessa. This should have said Nolani. I tried. This should say Vanessa. Nolani sold 6 pies and 7 lemon meringue pie for a total of $80. So she sold this much for equals to that much. So 6 apple pie. We don't know how much that costs. So 6 times x for apple pie. Plus 4 meringue pies, 4 times the cost of the meringue pie, y, for a total of $80. And Vanessa sold 6 apple pies plus 5 lemon meringue pie for a total of, total means equal, $94. What is the cost of 1 apple pie and 1 lemon? Okay, let's write that down. Right here. The cost of 1 apple pie is, and 1 lemon meringue pie, we'll just put lemon pie to shorten it, is right there. Ooh, we get rid of the 6, you see? Look at how easy that would be. We just multiply this by a -1. Okay, and I'll erase this line so I can put right underneath it. So that's -6x, -4y equals negative 80. That gives you a y left equals to 14. Ha! That's so easy. Why? So they sold. What is y? Lemon meringue pie. We need to write that down. We need to define each variable. Y equals to lemon meringue pie.
Go to Mr. Clips. That's where I got.
Oh, I spelled that wrong. It's an E. Pie. And X is apple pie. Okay. So, we have 14 for Y, so I'm going to use this one. 6x plus 4y equals to 80. And 14 lemon meringue pie. Y is lemon meringue pie. We put 14 there. Times 4. 6x. 6x plus 56. Right? Yes. Equals to 80. So subtract 56. You got 6x equals to 42. Remember, you got calculators. Make sure you bring it not next week, but the week after. And you can use the calculator, so double check. So we got X for apple pie, $4. The cost of one apple pie is $4. Let's make it look like a 4 and not a 9. And one lemon meringue pie is $14. That's it. And this is our final answer. Okay. Kiara is the manager of a video store. She is in charge of buying the video for the store to sell. She buys video from a wholesale that sells them for $8 each. Ooh. Okay. The wholesale charges $8 each, so she's buying each video wholesale for $8 each. So X is for video. Number of video. The wholesale charges a packaging fee of this much. Ooh, they charge that much. And this much for shipping. So this is all her cost. So it sounds like this is all her Kiara's cost. She buys the video for $8, but they charge for packaging and shipping. Oh, Bailey, I'm sorry. I meant to change this to Kiara because your other word problem had Bailey in it. So if you can find that one, it's the same word problem. Kiara then sells the video for $12 each. Oh, that's income, remember? Cost, and that's income. Write a system of equation, that's 2 lines, to find the cost and income for it to be the same. So cost, Kiara's cost is $8 for each video, plus the fee of $180 to package it, plus the $20 in shipping fee in bulk. And income, how much she'll make is $12 for each video because she's going to sell it for that much. So for each video, X is each video. So X then equals, this is equals to cost, this is equal to income. Okay? So that's your equation. It didn't say to define the variable, so I don't have to. But Y basically is the total income or total cost, depending on which one you're looking at. Okay, so you get $8 plus 200 equals to Y. Basically, we can use substitution here. We can put this into there and not have that there. So we get 8x plus 200 equals to 12x. Okay. minus 8x minus 8x. 200 equals to 4x. Divide by 4, divide by 4. Okay, x then. X is the number of videos. So keep in mind what you're solving for. Okay, so that's 50 equals to x. So 50 videos. Find the cost. Write a system. Explain what your solution means. Okay, so we want your solution. My solution is x is 50. Let's find y. X is 50. Solution is where these two lines will cross, okay? Because I will ask you that on your test, and you're going to have to graph these. Alright? So 50 plus, okay, y, 50, if x is 50, that's easy, put it right there. If x is 50, I'll redelete it. X is 50 times 12 equals to y. 5 times 12 is 60, so $600. Okay, this means, because you need to explain your solution, this is your solution. Okay, my solution is, the solution is, I need to write it tiny right here, you guys, because I ran out of room. I write too big. So I'm going to write it. My solution is 50 videos, $600. Y is the total cost, or total income is $5,600, which means that, well, let's say the solution. Kiara has to order 500 videos, because X is videos, number of videos, and sell them all for a total of $600 to break even, which means to make no money, to break even. And make no money. No profit. That means no money. She just paid the bills. Okay? The nickels and dimes, okay? There's 50 coins altogether. You have 50 coins that are all nickels and dimes. So nickels plus the dime, if you count all your nickels and dimes, you get 50 coins. Okay? The value of the coins altogether is $4. So those 50 coins make $4.10. Find the number of nickels and dimes. Okay, a nickel is 5 cents, I believe. Each nickel is 5 cents, so you give 5 cents times the number of nickels you have, plus a dime is 10 cents, times the number of dimes you have. If you have, let's say, 20 nickels, times it by 5 cents, you get a dollar amount. If you have 10 nickels, times it by 10, that's a dollar. Add it together, they need it equal to this amount. Make sense? I hope it makes sense to you. Okay, now, you need to make one of them equal to 0. Okay, best to make 0.5. Multiply all of them by 0.05. You got a calculator. I'm going to erase this and put it underneath that. negative 0.05 times that, negative 0.05 dimes, and then multiply to that. Oh, let me check and make sure. I know it's 250. Oh my goodness. Okay, where's the calculator? I want to make sure, because even though I know in my head what it should be, 0.05 times 50. A lot of you do $2.50. You do things in your head and you get it wrong, like I do. So try not to. This is the big test. Alright. This is 0. Forgot the N, sorry. Okay. Let's make it black. Subtract that, you get 0.05 dimes equals 2, 0, 6, 1. Let's double check. 410 minus 2. Ooh. 1.6, yep. Ignore the negatives because I put it backwards. Just checking myself. Divide that by 0.05. Okay. Divide that by 0.05. 32. Positive, because these are both positive. Not the negative that's on the calculator. 32. Dimes. Aha, because D stands for dimes. 32 dimes. That's $3.10, because a dime is 10 cents each. Okay, but all of them add up to 50 coins. So you got nickel plus the 32 dimes, we know D now, plus equals to 50. Therefore, there are 18 nickels. So let's check. You can check and see if it's right. If you have 18 nickels, they're 5 cents each, count 18 5 cents, or you can multiply 0.05 times 18, because there's 18 nickels, we substitute it in where N is, plus there's 32 dimes, times that by 10 cents, you can count 10 32 times, which makes that $3 and, yeah, right, 18 times. I'm going to double check. 18, oh, I'm going to clear this calculator, sometimes it's weird, times 0.05 for 5, 90 cents. Okay, 90 cents. This is 90 cents. Plus that, get you the $4.10 all together in all your coins. So no, you know you're right. So there are, how many nickels and how many dimes? There are 18 nickels. So that's what the question asks right here. There are 18 nickels. I spell nickels. And 32 dimes. Okay? I think we did this in class right here if you didn't get to copy it. Make sure when you get two shapes you draw it out. You're going to have questions like that on the test on congruency where you got two shapes connected together and it's hard to tell, that you break it into two, okay? That you break into the small, the large, or the two that you see. Alrighty? Make sure you take your time. Not too long, but be diligent and be careful. Alrighty.